multiply x minus 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, gagamit tayo dito ng distributive property. So, ito munang x times x squared. So, x multiply natin sa x squared and then sa positive 3x and then sa positive 2. So, maglagay tayo dito ng plus. And next naman yung negative 1. Ayan. So, negative 1. Multiply din natin dito. X squared plus 3x plus 2. So, ayan. So, meron na tayong dalawang expressions. Okay? So, x times x squared. So, meron niyang exponent na 1 dito. So, x, add lang natin yung exponent. Yan. Dito yan. And then next, x times 3x. So, wala naman ditong, meron lang dito yung 1. So, times lang. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then, yung exponent ng x ay 1. And then, yung exponent naman nito ay another 1. So, ang sunod, x times 2. So, ipagsasama lang natin. Ang sagot ay positive 2x. Okay, sunod. Dito, negative 1 times, wait lang, ikulong muna natin sa parentheses. Negative 1 times x squared equals negative x squared. And then, negative 1 times negative 3. So, multiply natin yung negative, yung positive 3 at negative 1. So, negative 3 ang sagot. And copyan lang yung variable kasi wala namang variable dito. And then, negative, tapos tayo dyan. Negative 1 times positive 2 equals negative 2. So, ayusin muna natin to. I-add natin yung exponents. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Bring down 2x. So, bring down na rin natin ito. So, plus negative x squared minus 3x minus 2. So, i-combined like terms natin. So, yung mga similar terms kung mayroon man. So, yung x cube, so wala siyang like terms. So, i-bring down lang. So, yung 3x squared, ayun, yung kanyang like terms. So, bring down natin yung 3x squared. And then, pagsama natin, negative x squared. Then, yung 2x naman, so, ito yung kanyang like terms. So, bring down natin yung positive 2x and negative 3x. So, negative 2 yung natira. Ayan. So, i-solve na natin yung mga similar terms. So, bring down x cubed. So, 3x minus x squared equals positive 2x squared. So, 3 minus 1 lang yan equals 2 at kopyahin yung variable. And then, ito, 2x minus 3x. So, 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. And then, copy yung x. So, since negative 1 lang naman, ay hindi na natin yan sinusulat kapag mayroong variable. And then, bring down negative 2. So, ito na ngayon yung ating, ito na yung product ng dalawang expression na yan.